Did you know that starting your day with a high-protein breakfast can boost your metabolism and keep you fuller for longer? If you're tired of the usual eggs and shakes, I've got the perfect solution for you. Or maybe you're struggling to find delicious, protein-packed options to kickstart your day. I'm going to show you how to make a 55 grams of protein cake that's not only delicious, but also a fantastic option for breakfast. It's quick, easy, and packed with the protein you need to fuel your mornings. We all know how hard it can be to find healthy, protein-rich breakfast options that are also fast and convenient. Most of the time, we settle for sugary cereals or carb-loaded pastries that leave us feeling hungry an hour later. Preparing something nutritious in the morning can feel overwhelming, especially when you're in a hurry. But what if I told you that you could whip up a high-protein breakfast cake in no time, without sacrificing taste or nutrition? That's what we're going to solve today. Let's dive into the ingredients. For this 55 grams of protein cake, we'll be using oats, egg whites, protein powder, Greek yogurt, and a few other simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Each of these ingredients is carefully chosen not just for their flavor, but for their nutritional benefits. The oats provide fiber, the protein powder gives us that big protein boost, and the Greek yogurt adds creaminess while packing in even more protein. I'll walk you through the preparation, and I'll share some tips on how to get the perfect consistency for the batter to make sure your cake comes out just right. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and lightly grease a small baking dish or oven-safe bowl with cooking spray or coconut oil. Prepare the batter. In a blender or food processor, combine the oats, egg whites, protein powder, Greek yogurt, baking powder, vanilla extract, honey, almond milk, and cinnamon. Blend until smooth and well mixed with a pancake-like batter consistency. Pour the blended mixture into the prepared baking dish. Smooth the top with a spatula to make sure the batter is evenly distributed. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 20-25 minutes, or until the cake is golden brown on top and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Slice the cake into pieces and top with your choice of fresh berries, a drizzle of nut butter, or a sprinkle of nuts for extra flavor and texture. This is the perfect breakfast for anyone looking to stay full and satisfied throughout the day. So there you have it, a delicious protein-packed cake that fits perfectly into a healthy breakfast routine. It's easy to make, tastes amazing, and provides all the nutrients you need to start your day off right. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how you liked it. And if you're looking for more healthy recipes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Happy cooking!